Well, it's good na may mga nalalaman tayo or nababalitaan tayong mga iba't ibang credit cards kasi siyempre kahit meron na tayong gusto kung hindi naman tayo approved with that credit card. So maganda rin yung marami tayong natututunan, nababalitaan na iba't ibang credit cards. Kaya ngayon, I'm going to review or share with you another credit card na alam kong magugustuhan din ninyo according to how the benefits are really going to be established and how those benefits are going to be moving in your journey as a credit card holder. So I hope you give time for this one because ibang credit card na naman to na ating bibigyan ng pansin or bibigyan ng pagkakataon to review. And maganda rin naman na bigyan natin ng pagkakataon yung mga iba't ibang credit cards na matackle naman natin. So, hi everyone! Crisel Morales here. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So, kumusta kayong lahat? Ako po ay medyo may eye bags. Halatang puyat kasi sa dami ng mga trinatrabaho, ginagawa. So, puyat tayo. But then again, it's still and always my joy to be with you, especially in creating a content na alam ko namang it will help you somehow sa mga decision-making na gagawin ninyo in applying for a credit card or if you are going to apply for a credit card or not, based on those na pag-uusapan natin sa araw na ito. Okay, so ang topic natin for today is all about a credit card na has been existing in the market ever since. Pero bago siya sa channel natin kasi ngayon lang natin siya pag-uusapan. Okay, so ang JCB Gold credit card is a credit card from Banco de Oro or BDO. At ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng JCB? Ang ibig sabihin ng JCB is Japan Credit Bureau. So, ang JCB na credit card is galing sa Japan. And it is accepted in 190 countries. And it is being used by more than 80 million users globally or worldwide. So, ang dami pala talagang gumagamit ng JCB or Japan Credit Bureau na credit card. Okay, so before I go on, ipakita naman natin kung ano ang physical look. So, ito ang BDO JCB Gold Credit Card from Banco de Oro. Yan. So, doon sa pangalan niya, gold, kaya naman siya ay yellow. Diba? Kaya ako naka-mustard ngayon. Kasi nga, ang credit card na JCB from BDO is colored yellow or golden. Kaya naman po ako this is actually parang mustard, ano? Pero golden yellow na rin. Sige na, okay na yon. So, ang credit card na to is medyo high-end. Why do I say that it is high-end? Mamaya malalaman ninyo kung bakit siya high-end. Okay, so let us go on. Okay, so let us start. Ano naman ang benefit? Ang maganda dito is meron siyang flexible and non-expiring rewards and points from all your purchases. So maganda yon kasi usually ako nakakaligtaan kong mag-redeem ng aking mga points and rewards sa mga credit cards kong iba. Kaya dito sa JCB Gold, BDO JCB Gold, flexible at non-expiring ang kanyang rewards and points. And of course, this credit card bears one of the most important feature ng isang credit card, and that is to convert your balances or your purchases into installment. So lahat tayo, yun ang hinahabol natin. Most especially when you can have it or pay it in installments at 0% interest. And of course, makukuha natin yan, especially if this credit card is affiliated with the merchant or the store kung saan tayo magpo-purchase. Kaya again and again and again, tatanungin natin, if we use our credit card or if we're going to swipe our JCB Gold credit card, tanungin natin kung affiliated ba sila with BDO. And most of the time, if not all the time, kapag affiliated ang credit card sa merchant, and vice versa, nakukuha natin yung ating mga purchases into installments and at 0% interest. So always communicate with your merchant. And next, meron tayong free international travel insurance. So, ibig sabihin, if we're going to travel in the different countries, meron tayong protection kasi meron tayong insurance. And aside from that, meron tayong purchase protection. So, ibig sabihin, insured lahat ng mga purchases natin. And di ba, nasabi ko kanina na medyo high-end ang credit card na to. Bakit nga ba? Because ang credit card na to upgrades your lifestyle. So, dun pa lang sa features and dun pa lang sa description ng credit card na to na sinasabing it upgrades your lifestyle. Meaning to say, high-end nga talaga. And isa pa, etong pinaka-exciting at gustong-gusto ko talaga is you can avail of the year-round deals, instant savings, in your purchases, and forever discounts. And another thing that is very, very important for us to be informed with or of is, pwede pa tayong mag-cash advance? The answer is yes, pwedeng mag-cash advance. Pero pwede ba tayong magkaroon ng cash installments? Pwede rin. What you have to do is just to call the customer service representative and inquire about it. And if the company or the bank says you can avail of it, so itanong na rin natin kung ano yung mga process or requirements in availing a cash installment. Alam nyo ba na ang credit card na to is well known because of its unique and splendid services. So, kumbaga, parang kapag kumain ka sa restaurant at hawak-hawak mo yung BDO JCB Gold na pambayad sa mga nakain mo, sa bills mo sa restaurant, you will be surprised. You will have a double rewards or points by using that credit card. Isa pa, mas mataas yung discount mo. It's because of the credit card that you are holding. So, kumbaga, splendid talaga. Kakaiba ka sa mga ibang customers sa restaurant na yan. Maybe yung mga customers na kasama mo, wala silang discount, pero ikaw, meron. At ang laki ng discount. And hindi lang yan, double ang rewards and points mo. That is what makes this credit card unique and splendid. Now, punta naman tayo doon sa membership fee or yung tinatawag nating annual fee. Okay, are you ready? Sa principal card holder, he or she is charged with an annual fee of 3,000 pesos. Yes, 3,000 pesos na tumataginting. And how about the supplementary card holder? Doon naman sa supplementary card holder, he or she is charged with 1,500 pesos na tumataginting. O diba, high-end talaga ang credit card na to. Okay, compare natin doon sa mga low-end credit cards na yung supplementary card holder is 0 ang kanyang annual fee. At doon tayo masaya. Pero of course, dahil nga ito is a high-end credit card, so we expect na medyo mahal din or mataas ang kanyang annual fee or membership fee. But then again, to give justice to it, 3,000 yung annual fee mo, compare naman doon sa discounts, instant savings, and a lot of promos, and double rewards and points. So kung baga, maibabalik mo din kaagad yung mataas na annual fee dahil doon sa mga discounts and double rewards and points, instant savings, and a lot more of promos. Kung yun ang pambabayad mo, malaki yung discount na binibigay sa'yo, it is because of the kind of credit card that you have. So, kuha nyo na. Kaya okay lang yan kapag medyo mataas. Basta naman, busog na busog ka sa rewards and points, instant savings, year-round deals. So, ano pa nga ba ang hahanapin mo kapag year-round deals ang makukuha mo sa credit card na to? Okay, so conclusion, do you want this credit card or not? Sa mga nakikinig or nanonood sa atin for today, gusto nyo ba ang credit card na to? Okay, nasa inyo ang decision. And disclaimer, I am not influencing you because it is always best to decide properly before you apply for a certain credit card. Kasi kapag na-approve ka at nasa iyo na yung credit card and then na-activate mo na siya, hindi na siya mare-reverse. So kung baga, hindi mo na siya pwedeng, pwede bang ka-activate ko lang naman kahapon, pwede bang i-deactivate? Kasi isang araw pa lang naman. So, hindi pwede yung ganun. Hindi na natin pwedeng i-reverse. Kaya, decision making is critical. So, kailangan pag-isipan nating mabuti kung eto nga ba yung credit card na nakadesign sa lifestyle mo. Eto nga ba yung gusto mo. Baka naman maka-affect masyado sa financial flow ng family. So, kailangan i-consider natin lahat yan. Okay, so there you go. Maraming salamat sa panonood and sana po makapag-subscribe yung mga hindi pa nag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel and always tap the notification bell down there so that you will always be notified tuwing may i-upload tayo na videos in the coming days. So, maraming salamat and as what I always say, kahit ano pa yan, kahit anong klaseng pagsubok yan, always remember that life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!